Questions regarding a black hole, its structure and physical properties over time concern more and more representatives of the scientific environment, as well as those who are far from science. First, to understand the properties of black holes, you need to give a general definition for this object. So, a black hole is the final stage in the evolution of a dying star, and accordingly, for such a star to turn into a black hole, its compression of the mass under the influence of gravitational forces must be large enough so that the outer layers of the star fall into the center for the formation of a black hole. This process of transformation is called gravitational collapse. It begins after a massive star with a mass of more than 3 solar masses exhausts its material for thermonuclear reactions, as a result of which the star loses its mechanical stability and begins to compress towards the center, and if the internal pressure does not stop, gravitational compression of the mass of the star overcomes the upper limit of the mass of the neutron star. Then the collapse will continue until the star turns into a black hole. A black hole is not a black hole if it does not have two of the most important features inherent in it: the event horizon, and the singularity. A singularity in the context of black holes is called the region of infinitely strongly curved space-time. Everything that falls through the horizon of events is sucked into a singularity, where it ceases to exist in the form we are used to. That is, an object falling into a singularity loses its familiar form and changes its physical properties. The event horizon is the visible boundary of a black hole beyond which the visible ceases to be. Even the light, falling beyond the horizon of events, will not be able to get out of it. Imagine a huge abyss in your backyard in rainy weather. You see how water flows down to the abyss. But as soon as it falls beyond its visible border, it seems to disappear. You will not be able to see how water will flow down from the edges of the abyss, because behind the event horizon is hiding infinity, in a sense, absolute emptiness. In the presence of a singularity that we cannot see for the same reason as all other objects, beyond the horizon of events, the space-time continuum is distorted, as a result of which any body falling into it disappears forever for the outside observer.